Oh, last time I was making B-roll, I missed the first to find by seconds. I'm making B-roll. I gotta get going. Oh yeah, it's perfect first to find music. Danger zone. Well, we're here. We're here at the location of the cache. And guess what? There's no one here. There's no one parked here. Look. Nobody. Look in the rear view mirror. Nobody. Look in the rear view. You guys see that? Right. There's a gravestone. I think we should go pay attention. We're right next to a freeway, so I apologize for any extra noise there may or may not be. So let's go get that geocache. Holy camoles, you guys. This is like the coolest geocache ever. Check it out. Oh my gosh. And it's literally a geocache. Okay, this is like totally breathtaking. Let's get some B-roll on this one. I'm not even gonna open it up and see if it's if it's first to find yet. Let's do the B-roll right about. All right, there it is. I found the container. I will not tell you where the container is at this cache because I don't want to give it away because I really had to do some searching for it. It was kind of a little tricky one to figure out where that container was. But there it is. I'm gonna see if I'm first to find on this geocache and put it back in place. So are you curious? Do you want to know did I make it the first to find? You know how it is. Usually I goof it around and I don't get that first to find, so let's find out. Let me open this container up. Woo! It's noisy in this little location for old geocache, but there it is. It is a first to find. Aw, snap. Oh yeah, I forgot one thing. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, and I will see you guys on the caching trail. See ya.